Rina Systems Limited is a construction company that focuses or whose flagship product is integrated facilities management. With Safaricom, we offer what we call converged services, and that is taking care of about 7 scopes within the integrated facility management. Yeah, we have been working with Safaricom for 8 years now. Our journey started in 2014 when we went through the pre-qualification hoops and loops, and we were successful. When we started, we had a staff complement of about 35. Today we boast well over 100 and well over 200 well-trained technicians across the country. At the time, we were operating solely in Nairobi with a few projects outside. Today, we are in all of the 47 counties, and we can be able to deliver service across the country. Through this Tuinuane campaign, Rina Systems, we have asked ourselves, what are we doing to uplift the life of the next person? And so inclusion has become a big purpose for us. I've been fortunate enough to be a part of the Safaricom Women in Business Forum, a forum that has been very, very helpful and has contributed to a large extent in terms of our DNA as Rina Systems, in terms of where is our focus and what are the small things that we can do where we are to open more doors to women. To be specific, we now have technicians within the plumbing space. We have technicians who are women doing painting, and this for us is absolutely phenomenal, seeing women coming and competing in a space that nobody really expects them to be competing in. What sets Safaricom apart as a preferred partner for Rina Systems Limited is just the sheer fact that Safaricom is open for us to compete on a level playing ground, whether women-led or male-led. Secondly, having been a service provider for Safaricom over these 8 years, we have a process where performance management is done very consistently. So you receive feedback as you go, which helps you to respond to the feedback. As they say, feedback is the breakfast of champions. Rina Systems partnership with Safaricom has translated into a lot of positive outcomes for us, and I believe for Safaricom as well. So as Rina Systems, we have been able to build capacity. We constantly have been able to upskill our staff, and because of this experience with Safaricom, we have been able to go out there and compete even for bigger projects. Another positive outcome that I can mention is, as we have walked the journey of transforming integrated facilities management within Safaricom together, so innovating around that space together with Safaricom, Rina Systems has been able to take on much more in terms of integrated facilities management. And we see this as a journey that we want to be at the leading edge to transform this space. Taking time to celebrate suppliers means that Safaricom recognizes the contribution of suppliers and stakeholders like us who have been partnering with them, and also celebrating the outcomes of successes that we have attained together.